From this video, we are using Samsung Smart Keyboard Trio 500 to demonstrate on how to connect Bluetooth with Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. First, you can find an on-off switch from the side of the keyboard. Push the switch up to turn on Bluetooth. Then, you swipe down the notification panel on the top of the tablet and turn it on. Then, long press on the Bluetooth icon that will lead to the Bluetooth setting page. Now, you can easily connect Bluetooth by pressing one of the grey buttons on the keyboard and hold for 3 seconds. The device has been detected. Click Connect. You will then be prompted to key in an access code to connect the device successfully. That's it! Now you can type freely using the connected keyboard. This Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 is also compatible with Stylus pen that allows you to create, work, and study in style. Simply pick up your preferred stylus pen and start using it. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 screen is sensitive and accurate that enables you to draw and write precisely with low latency. Yeah, that's it. You can now try it on your tablet.